The overall goal of this synthesis method is to use a sulfur copolymer to produce cadmium sulfide nanoparticles.
This method can provide a route for researchers to develop new nanoparticle surface modification reactions. The main advantage of this technique is that it provides a way to easily synthesize nanoparticles that do not have conventional aliphatic ligands. This synthesis method is potentially useful in a range of fields where conventional nanoparticle ligands can be difficult to remove, exchange, or block surface reactions. Demonstrating the procedure will be Trevor Martin, a graduate student from my laboratory.
To prepare the molten elemental sulfur, place elemental sulfur in a 50 ml 3-neck flask with an attached condenser and temperature probe. Perform pump and purge cycles with vacuum and nitrogen several times. Heat under nitrogen to 150 degrees Celsius with stirring. This will cause the sulfur to become a yellow-colored liquid. Once all of the sulfur has dissolved into the liquid, immediately inject alpha-methylstyrene into the solution. Heat the solution to 185 degrees Celsius with stirring at 500 rpm for 10 minutes. As the copolymer forms, the solution will change color from yellow to orange, finally producing a deep red color. Remove the solution from the heat and cool to room temperature. As it cools, the copolymer will slowly crystallize to form an orange rubbery solid. At this stage, the copolymer can be stored at room temperature for a subsequent synthesis, or it can be used immediately.